gentle flame. The stars are watching from the velvet sky, and I see forever when I look in your eyes. Lay your worries down, let your heart be free. Tonight there's nowhere else I'd rather be. Your arms are the shelter where I belong. Your heartbeat is the rhythm inside my song. When the lights go down and the world gets quiet, come a little closer, let your love surround me. Hold me through the night, baby. Hold me till the morning light. Keep me close, don't let me go. You're the only love I know. Hold me through the night, my darling. Let your loving arms surround me. When the moon begins to fade, stay with me until the day. I don't need a palace, I don't need gold. Your loving heart is worth more than it holds. Every little touch makes my spirit smile, makes this lonely road feel worthwhile. The ocean whispers softly to the shore, and my heart keeps asking you for more. Let the reggae rhythm carry us away. We'll dance in our own little world till day. If tomorrow brings a storm, I'll be standing by your side. If the darkness feels too long, I'll be your light tonight. Hold me through the night, baby. Hold me till the morning light. Keep me close, don't let me go. You're the only love I know. Hold me through the night, my darling. Let your loving arms surround me. When the moon begins to fade, stay with me until the day. Your voice is like a melody I know, a gentle river with nowhere else to go. When you whisper softly, I can feel that what we have is something real. We have walked through sunshine and rain, held each other through the joy and pain. And every time I need a place to hide, I know your loving heart is open wide. If the stars fall from the sky, I'll still find you in the night. If the whole world disappears, I'll be holding you right here. No distance could divide our hearts, no storm could tear our love apart. Tonight I make this promise true. Every tomorrow I'll choose you. Ooh, baby, stay with me. Don't let go. Hold me closer all night long. Yeah, yeah. I feel your love. The moonlight is dancing upon the sea, painting silver memories for you and me. The palm trees sway with the midnight breeze, and your love and touch brings my heart to peace. Let the whole world wait outside our door tonight. I don't need anything more, just your heartbeat next to mine, and your hand holding gently onto mine. When the morning comes around and the sunrise starts to glow, I'll remember this sweet moment and the love we chose to grow. Hold me through the night, baby. Hold me till the morning light. Keep me close, don't let me go. You're the only love I know. Hold me through the night, my darling. Let your loving arms surround me. When the moon begins to fade, stay with me until the day. Years may pass and seasons change, but my love for you will stay the same. When our hair turns silver in the sun, I'll still remember how our story had begun. We'll laugh about the nights like this, the gentle touch, the tender kiss. And when till the morning light. Your love is my shelter. Your love is my song. Stay with me. The evening breeze is calling your name, dancing through the window like a gentle flame. The stars are watching from the velvet sky, and I see forever when I look in your eyes. Lay your worries down, let your heart be free. Tonight there's nowhere else I'd rather be. Your arms are the shelter where I belong. Your heartbeat is the rhythm inside my song. When the lights go down and the world gets quiet, come a little closer, let your love surround me. Hold me through the night, baby. Come closer, my love. Tonight the stars are shining just for us. Let me tell you something. Moonlight falling softly on the ocean blue. Every little silver wave reminds me of you. The evening breeze is whispering through the trees, carrying your love so gently on the breeze. I can feel your heartbeat dancing next to mine. Two hearts moving slowly in a perfect time. No need for tomorrow, no need to rush. Tonight I'm wrapped inside your loving touch. When the night begins to glow, there's one thing I need to know. Will you stay right here with me, where my heart is meant to be? You're my honey in the moonlight, sweet as love on a summer night. When you hold me, I feel so free, like the whole world belongs to you and me. You're my honey in the moonlight, make my lonely heart feel right underneath the silver sky. I could love you all my life. Palm trees swaying to a rhythm in the air. Every little star shining everywhere. Your gentle smile is brighter than the dawn. And when you kiss me, all my fears are gone. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your faithful love is worth more than I'm told. If paradise is somewhere I can find, I know it's in your arms tonight. Let the world keep turning round. We don't need to make a sound. Put your worries down tonight. Love will make everything alright. You're my honey in the moonlight, sweet as love on a summer night. When you hold me, I feel so free, like the whole world belongs to you and me. You're my honey in the moonlight, make my lonely heart feel right underneath the silver sky. I could love you all my life. Sometimes life can bring a little rain, sometimes hearts can carry hidden pain. But whenever you are standing by my side, I find a little courage deep inside. We don't need a perfect road to walk, we just need a little faith when we talk. Step by step and hand in hand, we'll make our own little paradise land. If the stars should disappear, I'll still know that you are near. If the moon should lose its light, I'll be your flame throughout the night. If the ocean meets the shore, I'll keep loving you even more. close before the night goes by. Every moment with you feels brand new, like the first time I discovered love was true. If I had another life to live again, I'd find your heart and choose you as my friend. Let the moonlight touch our skin, let this love come rushing in. No more questions, no more fears, just your love beside me here. You're my honey in the moonlight, sweetest love on a summer night. When you hold me, I feel so free, like the whole world belongs to you and me. You're my honey in the moonlight, make my lonely heart feel right underneath the silver sky. I could love you all my life. When the years have slowly changed the way we look, I'll still remember every page we wrote, every little struggle that we overcame, every rainy night and every sunny day. And when we sit together by the shore, I'll tell you that I love you even more, because real love isn't just a passing flame, it's choosing one another again and again. Honey, come closer, stay with me. Let the night go slowly, let the music play. Put your hand in mine and don't turn away. I feel your love, I feel your love, I feel your heart, I feel your heart. Nothing in this world can keep us apart. You're my honey in the moonlight, sweetest love on a summer night. When you hold me, I feel so free, like the whole world belongs to you and me. Honey in the moonlight, make my lonely heart feel right underneath the silver sky. I could love you all my life. You're my honey in the moonlight, my sweet dream in the quiet night. Every heartbeat calls your name, and I never love the same. You're my honey in the moonlight, my forever, my delight. When the morning steals the sky, I still love you by my side. Honey, honey, my sweet love, ooh, I need you. Stay right here, don't let go. Moonlight love, sweet, sweet love. Moonlight falling softly on the ocean blue. Every little silver wave reminds me of you. The evening breeze is whispering through the trees, carrying your love so gently on the breeze. I can feel your heartbeat dancing next to mine, two hearts moving slowly in a perfect time. No need for tomorrow, no need to rush tonight. I'm wrapped inside your Tonight the moon is shining, and I can feel your love. Oh baby, come a little closer. Let me tell you what I'm dreaming of. The ocean singing softly, the stars are shining too. And in this peaceful island night, I'm making this serenade for you. Oh yeah, this one is for you, my love. When the evening sun goes down and the golden sky turns blue, I feel a little magic whenever I'm with you. Your hand is holding mine, and everything feels right. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than with you tonight. The palm trees sway so gently, like they're dancing to our song. And every little heartbeat tells me where I belong. You don't have to say a word, I can see it in your eyes. There's a love between us that can never fade or die. So come and sit beside me, let the whole world disappear. I just wanna hold you, I just wanna keep you near. Let the rhythm take us slowly, let the sweet guitar play, and I'll give you all my loving till the night becomes the day. Under the moonlight, I'm singing this serenade for you. Every little heartbeat says my love is true. Under the moonlight, with the stars above us too, I'll keep on loving, keep on dreaming, keep on giving my heart to you. Oh my darling, there's nothing I would rather do than spend this silent night making sweet love songs for you. Under the moonlight, this serenade is for you. I remember when I met you, there was sunshine in the rain. Something in the way you smiled took away my pain. You came into my life like a gentle summer breeze, and suddenly my restless heart found a little peace. Now every morning with you feels like a brand new start, and every evening brings me closer to your heart. If tomorrow brings a storm, I'll be standing by your side. I'll be your shelter, baby, you can always come inside. And if the road gets lonely, we will walk it hand in hand, because love is more than promises, it's learning how to stand. So come and sit beside me, let the whole world disappear. I just wanna hold you, I just wanna keep you near. Let the rhythm take us slowly, let the sweet guitar play, and I'll give you all my loving till the night becomes the day. Under the moonlight, I'm singing this serenade for you. Every little heartbeat says my love is true. Under the moonlight, with the stars above us too, I'll keep on loving, keep on dreaming, keep on giving my heart to you. Oh my darling, there's nothing I would rather do than spend this silent night making sweet love songs for you. Under the moonlight, this serenade is for you. Ooh, yeah. Let the bassline roll, let the guitar sing. Moonlight on the water, your shadow next to mine, two hearts moving slowly in the rhythm of the night. Oh, sweet love, sweet love, sweet love, stay with me tonight. Don't let this moment go, I need you close to me. Oh baby, yeah. If I could stop the hands of time, I'd keep this night forever, with your arms around my waist. our hearts beating together. No diamonds could replace the love you give to me. No treasure in this whole wide world could mean as much to me. You are my peaceful morning, you are my midnight dream. You are the little ray of hope when life is not what it seems. And when my heart is tired, you know just what to do. You bring me back to happiness with one sweet smile from you. So if you ever wonder how deeply I adore you, listen to the ocean breeze. It's singing just like I do. Come a little closer, let me whisper in your ear. Every word I'm saying comes from somewhere sincere. I don't need 1,000 stars, I don't need a perfect view. All I need beneath this moon is a little time with you. Under the moonlight, I'm singing this serenade for you. Every little oh, I know who I am. I know the love inside my heart. No crown upon my head, but I walk like a queen, because love is my power. She wakes with the sunlight shining through her window, carries a little hope everywhere she goes. She knows that life can sometimes test her soul, but she keeps on walking cause her heart is whole. She doesn't need a throne made out of gold. Her story is more precious than anything she's told. With every step she takes, she leaves a little light, turning all the darkness into something bright. She has learned to love herself. She has found her inner strength. When the world tries to bring her down, she rises up again. She reigns with love, she reigns with grace, with a beautiful light shining from her face. She reigns with love, she knows her worth. She carries the sunshine wherever she walks on earth. No crown, no castle, no diamond glove could ever be stronger than a woman's love. She stands so tall, she rises above my beautiful queen. She reigns with love. She has scars that tell the stories of her journey, lessons from the days when the road was stormy. But she never lets the past define her name. She turns every struggle into a brighter flame. When she loves with all her heart, giving something beautiful right from the start. And when she speaks, there's wisdom in her tone. She knows that being strong doesn't mean standing alone. She can bend but never break. She knows every choice she makes with compassion in her heart. She can heal and make a start. She reigns with love, she reigns with grace, with a beautiful light shining from her face. She reigns with love, she knows her worth. She carries the sunshine wherever she walks on earth. No crown, no castle, no she goes, plants little flowers everywhere her kindness grows. A smile for a stranger, a hand for a friend. She knows that love can help a broken heart mend. She doesn't compete with another woman's shine. She celebrates her sisters while protecting her own light. There is room in the sky for every star to glow, and she knows exactly how beautiful she is. She walks with confidence and peace. She knows her spirit won't decrease. Every lesson, every scar made her stronger than she was. She reigns with love, she reigns with grace, with a beautiful light shining from her face. She reigns with love, she knows her worth. She carries the sunshine wherever she walks on earth. No crown, no castle, no diamond glove could ever be stronger than a woman's love. She stands so tall, she rises above. My beautiful queen, she reigns with love. And when she finds a love that honors her heart, she knows that true love gives two people room to grow. No chains around her, no reason to hide. She walks beside a lover with nothing to prove inside. They build their dreams with patience and trust. They understand that love is more than desire. Through every sunrise and every storm, they keep each other safe and warm. I am a woman, I am a queen. I carry love, I carry dreams. I have fallen, I have risen, and I will never forget who I am. She reigns with love, she reigns with grace. Beautiful light shining from her face. She reigns with love, she knows her worth. She carries the sunshine wherever she walks on earth. No crown, no castle, no diamond glove could ever be stronger than a woman's love. She stands so tall, she rises above. My beautiful queen, she reigns with love. She reigns with love, she reigns with grace. There is freedom and beauty in the light. She reigns with love, she creates. She reigns with love. She knows her worth. She brings a little sunshine to this beautiful earth. No crown, no castle, no treasure above could ever compare to the strength of her love. She stands so tall, she rises above. My beautiful queen, she reigns with love. She reigns, she reigns. Yeah. Oh baby, come closer. I got something sweet to tell you. Ooh, yeah. Sweet like sugar cane. Morning light is shining through my window, and the first thing on my mind is you. Like a gentle breeze across the island, your love makes everything feel new. I don't need 1,000 roses, I don't need a diamond in my hand. All I needed is your loving heartbeat and a heart that understands. When you smile, my worries fade. Every promise that you made lives inside my heart so deep. You're the love I wanna keep. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet like sunshine after rain. When you hold me close, my darling, I forget about the pain. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet running through my veins. Every kiss is like a summer breeze, and I wanna taste your love again. Palm trees dancing in the evening, ocean sings along. Your love is like a reggae rhythm, pulling my heart into the song. Every time you call my name, something beautiful begins. You turn my tears into a smile and bring the sunshine back again. Let the world keep moving fast, I just want this moment to last. With your hand inside of mine, everything will be just fine. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet like sunshine after rain. When you hold me close, my darling, I forget about the pain. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet running through my veins. Every kiss is like a summer breeze, and I wanna taste your love again. Some days bring a little trouble, some nights bring a little rain, but your love is like an umbrella, keeping me safe from the pain. You don't promise me perfection, you just promise to be true. And that kind of love is precious, so I give my heart to you. If the ocean loses its blue, if the stars forget to shine, if the whole world changes overnight, I'll still be yours and you'll still be mine. Nothing can replace this feeling, nothing can compare to you. Every road I walk tomorrow, I wanna walk it next to you. Sweet like sugar, sweet like cane. Come closer, baby, don't go away. I feel your love, I feel your love, yeah, yeah. Moonlight shining on the shoreline, and the waves are rolling slow. You pull me into your arms, and I never want to go. Let the music play forever, let the rhythm take control. Your love is like a sweet vibration, moving through my soul. When you whisper in my ear, all my doubts just disappear. There's no place I'd rather be than right here with you and me. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet like sunshine after rain. When you hold me close, my darling, I forget about the pain. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet running through my veins. Every kiss is like a summer breeze, and I wanna taste your love again. Years may pass like rivers flowing, but my heart will stay the same. I'll still smile when I remember the first time you called my name. We'll grow older side by side, with our memories like gold, and I'll still reach for your hand when the nights begin to feel cold. Sweet love, come and hold me. Sugar cane, summer rain, your love keeps calling me. So let go, take it slow, let the rhythm carry us. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet like sunshine after rain. When you hold me close, my darling, I forget about the pain. You're sweet like sugar cane, sweet running through my veins. Every kiss is like a summer breeze, and I wanna taste your love again. Sweet like sugar cane, my sweetest love, my sweetest flame. Every heartbeat says your name, and I'll cane. Sweet like sugar cane. Morning light is shining through my window, and the first thing on my mind is you. Like a gentle breeze across the island, your love makes everything feel new. I don't need 1,000 roses. Come closer, my love. The night is quiet, the stars are listening. So whisper softly, my love. Moonlight falling gently on the floor. I can feel your footsteps near the door. The whole world is sleeping far away, but my heart has something it wants to say. Come sit beside me, don't be shy. Let me see the love inside your eyes. There's no need for words that run too fast. Tonight I want this moment to last. When you hold me, time slows down. All my worries leave this town. Let the silence speak tonight. Everything just feels so right. Whisper softly, my love, like the gentle morning dove. Tell me everything you feel. Let me know that love is real. Whisper softly, stay with me, like the waves beside the sea. Put your heart right next to mine. Let our souls move in one time. Your voice is like a melody at midnight, warm and tender underneath the moonlight. Every little word you say to me feels like waves returning to the sea. I don't need a crowded room tonight, just your arms and this gentle light. Let the reggae rhythm play real slow. There's nowhere else I need to go. If tomorrow brings the rain, we'll find sunshine through the pain. If the road becomes unclear, I'll be right beside you here. Whisper softly, my love, like the gentle morning dove. Tell me everything you feel. Let me know that love is real. Whisper softly, stay with me, like the waves beside the sea. Put your heart right next to mine. Let our souls move in one time. I remember when our story first began. Two hearts learning how to understand. You were patient when I couldn't say all the feelings hiding in my heart that day. Now I know that love can grow like a river finding where it wants to flow. And every step we've taken through the years made our love stronger than our fears. So if the night gets cold, I'll keep you warm. If the sky gets dark, I'll be your dawn. If you ever feel like giving up, I'll remind you that our love is enough. No mountain could stand between our hearts. No ocean could tear our souls apart. And when the world becomes too loud, I'll find you in the quiet crowd. night to fly. Your fingers gently resting in my hand. Feels like something heaven had already planned. Let the ocean sing outside our door. Let the music take us somewhere more. I listen to your heart beating next to mine, and keep this little moment frozen in time. Every breath you take tonight makes my heart feel warm and right. There's no place I'd rather be than here with you, so close to me. Whisper softly, my love, like the gentle morning dove. Tell me everything you feel. Let me know that love is real. Whisper softly, stay with me, like the waves beside the sea. Put your heart right next to mine. Let our souls move in one time. When the morning finally finds our door, I'll still love you just a little more. And when the years begin to change our view, I still find something beautiful in you. We'll have our days of sunshine and rain, but we'll never walk alone again, because a love that's built on something true can find a way through anything we do. Whisper, whisper softly. I can hear your heartbeat, I can feel your love. Come closer, don't say anything, just stay. Ooh, whisper softly, my love, like the gentle morning dove. Tell me everything you feel. Let me know that love is real. Whisper softly, stay with me, like the waves beside the sea. Put your heart right next to mine. Let our souls move in one time. Whisper softly, my love, you're the dream I'm dreaming of. Every sunrise, every night, you make everything feel right. Whisper softly, don't let go. Let this love continue to grow till the stars have lost their light. I'll be yours throughout the night.